Hello everyone, welcome to the session once again. In today's topic, let's understand break and continue statements in Java. We have already seen in the last couple of sections about loops in Java. This is a good time to start break and continue statement in Java. These statements are known as jump statements. Why? Because these are used to skip some statements inside the loop or to terminate the loop immediately without checking the test expression. These statements can be used inside any loops such as for, while, and do while loop, etc. Let's check how we have syntax for break. So first break, the break statement in Java is used to terminate from the loop immediately. Just break the loop. Just stop the loop from there itself. The syntax we have the break in lowercase with semicolon. Then we have continue statement. The continue statement in Java is used to skip the current iteration of a loop and take the next iteration. So it will just skip the current iteration. The syntax will be a continue in lowercase and semicolon. Let's understand these break and continue statements by writing a simple Java program. So I have already created one class break and continue example with main function. Let's understand this break and continuous example with for loop. Let me print I equal to 1, I less than or equal to 10, I plus plus. I'm just iterating for loop from 1 to 10. Okay, let's simply print it. We all know the output, right? Because we have already seen for loop. See, it will print 1 to 10. Okay, because we have initialized from 1. Okay, we want the value to be print, or we want to iterate this for loop less than equal to 10, less than or equal to 10, so up to 10, and I plus plus. So it will iterate from 1 to 10, and it is simply printing the value. Correct. What if I want to skip one value? Let's say for example I don't want to print 8, I want to print 1 to 7 and then 9 to 10. I just want simply skip 8. What I'll do, I'll simply write if I equal to 8. Now simply skip. So for skipping the iteration, what I need to write continue statement. Let's execute and understand how it works. So if you see 8 is skipped. So when I equal to 8, it will simply execute continue statement. Continuous statement will skip the remaining part of the loop, the current iteration of the loop, and it will continue the further iteration. Okay, so I hope you understood like how continue works. Let's understand how break works. Now I want to print a value from 1 to 7. When I equal to it, I don't want any value when I equal to it. So just simply replace this continue with break. Let me run this. See 1 to 7. So when I equal to 8, it will come and execute break statement. Break will stop the for loop itself. Okay, it will completely break the for loop and come out. It will come out of the loop when it executes. So this is difference between break and continue. Continue simply skip the current iteration, and break it stop the execution. Let's quickly recap the differences. Break and continue. The break statement is used to terminate the loop immediately and stop the execution of the loop. Continue statement is used to skip the current iteration of the loop and does not stop the execution. This is a break syntax, this continue syntax. Yes, and we can use a break with switch statement. We have already seen this switch statement, right? With break. But yes, we cannot use continue with switch statement. So these are all are the comparison between break and continue, how we use this break and continue statements in Java. This is all about break and continue, and remember this is known as a jump statements in Java. Okay, so I hope you have understood the differences. Let me know if you have any queries in comment section. That's it for the today's session. Thank you.